on an aggravated battery.
How you doing? This is George at Wicked Warnings. Do you have a new F-150, 2018 and newer, or even 2015 and newer, with LED fog lights, and would you like to wig-wag flash them just like this? Pay no attention to what's behind the blanket. We have some other lights there and I don't want to distract you. But what you're seeing right here is the Wicked Warnings Auto Flasher Module kit for the fog lights of the 2018 and newer F-150s. It will also work all the way back to 2015, the new body style. Basically, if it's aluminum, it's going to work. If you have standard fog lights and you need us to send you some LED bulbs, or you already have LED bulbs, then it'll work much better. Please do not use this on the standard halogen fog lights. It is not powerful enough to run the halogens and they will look bad. This, you can see this is a 2020 F-150 Lariat with the LED package, and we are wig-wagging the fog lights. So if you'd like the in-depth install video to show you exactly what you need to do this job and the kit, go ahead and purchase this on wickedwarnings.com. Again, this is the Auto Flasher Module. Check the link in the description for a direct link to this exact product, and you will get an in-depth install video after purchase that shows you how to wire it in and how to make this effect. And of course, your fog lights will always work normally when not in emergency mode, so you do not lose any original functionality. Thanks again for watching. This is Wicked Warnings with the brand new Auto Flasher Module for the fog lights of the F-150 series trucks 2015 and newer with LED lighting.